Okay guys, I got a 2014 Volkswagen Passat. I'm going to remove this driver airbag. It's kind of hard to get to. The first thing you're going to do is remove this clamshell right here. These two pieces, and then this piece up here. On the bottom part, I think there's about a 20 or 25 torque bit that you need to remove. And then there's going to be one right here, and you have to turn the steering wheel to get to them, and one right there, and that'll let you take these off. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you want the steering wheel turned this way. Okay, so this is below the steering wheel. There's that little metal piece right there. We're gonna flip the bottom part of it up. So get a screwdriver. Okay, so I flipped it up and there's a little piece right here. And this bottom part's gonna flip off of it. So now we're going to turn the steering wheel again. And again, we need to get this metal piece off of this black piece. So we're just going to So I finally got it off. Okay, now the steering wheel will just come right out. And then you just disconnect these pieces right here. You just need to and that piece down there. That's how you do it. So these are the pieces right here, and you're just wanting to move them around. But on the other side, obviously.